If you love energy and you like learning about energy and applying energy techniques to heal, to grow, to explore, and to learn about life, then think about joining Energy Magic Monthly. Every month, on the last Friday of the month, I put a workshop on with a particular theme for us as a community to explore together. It's interesting, you learn something, you grow, you have an experience and transform. And the next one, I want to share the next 3 months, January, February, and March. The subjects we have coming up are handling insults and criticisms and compliments and praise. So, how sensitive are you? And how good are you at taking in people's appreciation when they give it? Are you brushing it off, laughing it off, not feeling it at all, bursting out into tears? Or can you actually take it in and let your whole spirit be blossoming from that with a beautiful, graceful thank you? That's the end result we're going to help you to get in this workshop. Similarly, when somebody criticizes or judges you, are you insulted? Are you offended? Are you hurt? Are you sensitive? The whole world is going on about censorship and controlling our speech because of our sensitivity to handling people's speech, what they want to say. How sensitive are you? Do you get upset easily? And do you want to do something about that? Do you want to learn how to heal the injuries that make you sensitive and restore your energy flow and your power inside and become the person who can handle it and actually growing your strength and resourcefulness and self-assurance? Would you like to be the person who can stand there and really knows who you are, independent of what anybody else thinks of you? Oh my God, I'll tell you, you can do that. Come and join us. That's the last Friday of this month, the insults and the compliments and praise workshop. The next month is February, month of love, so we'll be looking at falling in love with ourselves, with our partner, love topics where we want to remove the obstacles to love and create an overflow. It will be fun and you will love it. So that's the February Energy Magic Monthly workshop, last Friday of February. Then in March we have energy symbols and oracle readings. So if you like channeling, if you like to grow your ability and your confidence to connect with that place within, connect with another person, and channel the energy and the information, the wisdom, the insights through for yourself and somebody else, using inspiration from energy symbols that let you connect deeply within yourself, then that workshop is perfect for you too. So why not just come and join all three and join our energy loving community and do some energy magic each month for your learning and exploration and enjoyment. Thanks for listening. The link's somewhere near the video. I wish you a wonderful day as it is here where I am by the Red Sea.